Carbon monoxide is the most toxic substance you will come in contact with in your daily life. It is produced from any fuel burning source such as a heater, gas stove, gas water heater, fireplace, or automobile. It is odorless and colorless and can be fatal, which is why it is important to prevent carbon monoxide poisoning by ensuring vent pipes are properly in place and have heating units as well as fireplaces and chimneys inspected periodically by a trained professional. Always keep a working carbon monoxide detector installed in your home as well as a working smoke alarm. For further tips to prevent carbon monoxide poisoning or for more information regarding Odessa Fire and Rescue's smoke detector program, please contact the Odessa Fire Marshal's office at 257-0502. For this month's Safety Watch message, I'm Cody Ritchie with Odessa Fire and Rescue.